Welcome back to Microlearning English, 5 minutes each day. This is day 3. Today, we practice how to describe people, how they feel, or what they're like. You'll hear, I'm tired. She's happy. They were busy. We just use two tenses, now and the past. No grammar names, just feel the rhythm. Repeat out loud. Repeat after me. I'm tired. He's tall. She's excited. We are ready. They are busy. Again. I'm cold. He's quiet. She's kind. You are late. They are friendly. Important. Not he happy, but he is happy. Not they tired. Say they are tired. Repeat again. She is happy. He is sleepy. We are here. You are smart. Now let's talk about the past. Repeat. I was tired last night. He was quiet this morning. She was angry. We were hungry after the trip. They were surprised yesterday. Again. I was late. He was sad. They were noisy. She was ready. We were cold. Remember, I, he, she, we use was. We, you, they, we use were. Don't say I am tired yesterday. That sounds wrong. I was tired yesterday. Let's go between now and the past. Listen and repeat. I am hungry. I was hungry yesterday. She's excited. She was excited yesterday. They are busy. They were busy last night. We are late. We were late this morning. He's tall. He was tall last year. You are kind. You were kind yesterday, but you're not today. Now again. I am cold. I was cold. She's angry. She was angry. We are ready. We were ready. They are tired. They were tired. He's quiet. He was quiet. Quick repeat. Just follow me. I am. I was. She is. She was. We are. We were. He is happy. He was happy. They are busy. They were busy. You are late. You were late. Say it again. I am tired. I was tired. She is nice. She was nice. They are here. They were here. Nice work today. Now you can describe people, how they feel now and how they felt before. Tomorrow is day 4, lesson 4. We'll learn how to say what people can do or should do. See you there. Keep practicing.